Members from a national charity were in Thunder Bay this past week to push the importance of Indigenous foods and inclusive meals in the healthcare system. Nourish Leadership only became a charitable organization in fall of last year, but is already making sure people across the country understand the comfort and healing good food can provide. Vasilios Bellos reports.
Nourish Leadership is a charity with the goal of using the power of food to promote climate leadership, equity, and community well-being. They have 7 cohorts across the country, including one in Northern Ontario that collaborates with NASM. This tied in perfectly with their recent workshop, which aimed to show how hospital or long-term care food can be both delicious and culturally appropriate. 4 different leaders were there to teach participants from Nourish's Northern cohort how to prepare delicious and nutritious Indigenous dishes. Nourish's Haley LaPalme explains that there is a gap in the healthcare system when it comes to food for the Indigenous community.
So we know that Indigenous folks are some of the most food insecure in the country. We know that food insecure folks are disproportionately represented in healthcare, and we can do a better job of meeting their needs, and that starts with offering food that will support their healing.
All the food that was prepared, including salads, vegetable dishes, fish, and more, were made with fresh ingredients. Kathy Loon from the Sioux Lookout Menno Yawin Health Center participated in the event and says providing traditional food to Indigenous patients is crucial to their healing.
It goes to looking after patients mentally, spiritually, emotionally, as well as physically. You're telling them their culture is important.
Members of Nourish Leadership plan to continue to hold workshops like these across the country to ensure food equity for everyone in Canada. Vasilios Bellos, TBT News.